Welcome back! Now that your website is created, we will go through the main menu to discover the possibilities that WordPress offers for your website. The screen that appears now is the main page to modify your website, add pages, or publish articles. The first step is to customize your website, and for that, we can use the left menu. At any time, please feel free to pause the video if you need additional time to complete the task. Let's begin with the first tab called My Home. This page regroups quick links and important steps for your website. For example, you will find on the right the column called Site Setup, which gives you a list of the next steps for you to set up your website. You can go through this step whenever you are ready. And for example, confirm your email address. Next, in the menu, you can find the tab called Stats. This tab lists the statistic of your website. As it is not launched yet, everything is empty. However, once your website is online, you will be able to see all the traffic and insight of your website on this page. You will see the views, the visitors, the likes, the comments that you received over the past few months. You can also discover in which country, for example, people have been connected to your website. The following tab is called Upgrades. As I mentioned earlier, you have the possibility to select another plan for your website if you want to add more features. You can decide to, for example, to choose the premium plan if you want to add payment in your website. You can come back here at any time and decide to upgrade your payment whenever you want. The tab Inbox will allow you to read the email associated to your website. This feature is, however, reserved only to paid plan and does not work for free websites, but it can be a very great asset if you have, for example, a commercial website. The next tab, called Post, will help you to see all the posts that you have published on your website. For now, we only have 3 posts that have the posts from the theme I choose. But if I had more posts, you will see the list go on and on. You can also see the posts that you draft, that you schedule to publish, or that you trash. I will not go through this tab more in detail, but you can see that in a further video. The next tab, called Media, will regroup all the media that you publish on your website. It can be videos, audios, images, or documents. You have access to all the media through this tab and can decide to delete or add more as you please. The next page, called Pages, will allow you to see all the pages of your website. I will go through this tab more in detail further down the video. The tab Comments regroups all the comments left on your website. You can read them, answer them, approve or erase them, but they will still appear on this page. You can see those that are pending, approved, the spam, and your trash. For now, no comments are online because your website has not been launched. The Feedback tab will only be accessible once you validate your email address by the link received on your email. This page allows you to see the messages received and potentially to answer them. The Jetpack tab regroups the activity you or the users of your website add. For example, you can see on here that today a connection was made by you. You can see here the last 20 events that appear made by you or people that connected to your website. But you can decide to upgrade your plan to see more features. The tab WooCommerce, plugin, and tools are once again accessible only for upgraded plan. It is mainly dedicated to offer features for commercial websites such as payment or shipping, for example. The tab Appearance is used to customize your website and will be detailed later in the video. Next, you can find the page Users. This tab can be useful if you want to invite contributors to your website. You can add people as administrators, but also see your followers, the email received by your followers, your users, or your invites. You can also decide to invite someone to be part of your website. For example, I want to invite a colleague to the creation and maintenance of the website. I can invite him by clicking Invite. Again, this option is only available after validating your email address. However, once this step is done, you can insert here your colleague address, decide on his role, that can be administrator, editor, author, contributor, or followers, depending on the action he can take on your website. And then write him a message for personalization. Once you are done, just click the button back and you will see appearing all your team members, all the users here. The last tab is called Setting. This tab will be detailed in the next part of the video. Congratulations! In this task, you have discovered the feature offered on WordPress platform. In the next task, you will learn how to modify your website to best assess your needs.